going to be unboxing between 1 and 2 today. Only 1 copy. But I'm hoping to get other copies soon. So, yeah. It's still got the tag on it, or the wrapper, so I don't know what's in here, so I'm really excited to open this up. So we're going to get right in and start the video. I also want to talk a little bit about Twice's album. I love the whole album. My favorite song is probably Basics from the album. But, yeah, super good album that they've got going on with, of course, my cat's up here. That's fine. I knew she would. That's okay, a little cat is not that bad. Yeah, here's the album in all of its glory. So we're gonna get down into it. This is the only version they had left at my local Target, so alright, here we go. I'm not sure what the inclusions are in. I'm gonna assume they're in this box, so I'm not gonna open that yet. So we're gonna go flip through this book. Oh my gosh, they look so good. Let me get this wrapper out of the way. I'm really bad with unboxings. I'm really messy with them. Oh my god, no. She looks so good. Jesus. I saw the scans from some of the scans from the album, and yeah, super. I guess this is the sexy concept version. Oh my god. They're so beautiful. Some credits and lyrics. Miss Momo. Yeah, the album was just really good in my opinion. Probably one of their best in a while. I mean, they always have good albums, but this was like a all hit. I love Formula of Love too. I don't know. Oh my god, Sauna. I just love Twice. So there's Basics. Ah! Oh my god, Jihyo. Yeah, they all slayed this time around. No, I don't think anybody outshadowed anybody else. They just all came together and slayed the house down. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yes, Mina! I just love that they're doing adult concepts now because, I mean, they're an adult group. And we need, anyway, like I was saying, we need that in K-pop. My phone is like, storage is full, of course, right when I record this video. Yes. Oh my god, Chaeyoung! Oh my god, she looks so hot. So pretty, like, hello. And Chewy, they all look so good. And then there's the content production, that's the end, there's the CD. Alright, my favorite part is going through the inclusions. So first we have the poster. Yeah, there's the poster. I will hopefully be putting that up on my wall. Member poster, who we got? We got Mina. Hello. Beautiful Mina. What is this? Oh, the film strip's a little damaged. That's okay. We got Momo for the film strip. We got Chaeyoung's postcard. I believe this is the... Not sure, but I got Nayeon. Yes. There's so many inclusions in here. I'm like... There's a little thing to read the back. And then, what do we have here? Here's the pre-order cards. Open those up real quick. There's Nayeon, Junghyun. Kind of stick together really bad, but Momo, Sana, Jihyo, Mina, Daehyun, Chaeyoung, Chewy, and there's a member one. Yay! So glad to have those. Alright. For the exclusive PC, I believe this is the exclusive one. We have Nayeon. then we have Chaeyoung's Polaroid. There's so much stuff you get in here. Alright. Here's regular photo cards. I'm scared. In a good way. Here they are. We have Miss Momo looking all cute with her pink shirt. I got Momo again with her telephone. How cute! Oh my god, sexy Mina. The phone. We got Taehyun, her long nails. With the peach Momo! Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. Oh my god, those were really good pulls. I was hoping for Tiger Che, but that's okay. We didn't get her this time. I hope we get some more albums. Yeah, I'm super happy with that. I can't believe I got that many Momo though. But that was really good pulls. So if you like this video, you want to see more unboxings and stuff like that, subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell for notifications, and if you want to see my album shelf, I did a video on that. I'll put that on the info card at the top right corner, so y'all can go to that and watch that. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and I hope you guys have a great night or day, whatever day or time you're at. And yeah, thanks. Bye.